Hey everybody, let's learn how to sign each of our high frequency words for Unit 2, Week 3. The first word is eat. The sign for eat is, okay, so you're just going to kind of act like you're putting food in your mouth. Okay, so do that with me. Say it and sign it, eat. And this is the word no. The sign for no is, okay, so you're going to put up these three fingers and then put them together like this. Okay, do that with me. And say it and sign it, no. And this is the word of. The sign for the word of is, so we're just going to spell it out. Okay, so O-F, of. Do that with me. And say it and sign it, of. And this is the word under. The sign for under is, okay, so you're just going to take your hand and make a motion like this, like you're going under. Okay, do that with me. And say it and sign it, under. Then the last word is who. The sign for who is, okay, so you're going to put your thumb up to your chin and hold your first finger up and bend it twice like this. Do that with me, who. And say it and sign it, who. All right, let's go over each one. Say and sign each one. All right, eat, know, of, under, who. All right, good job.